Hey guys, welcome back to Resist the Grind. We are at Pennsic 52. The Great Pennsic War is the largest annual medieval recreation event in the world, and I'm excited to be here for the opening ceremonies. Now, if you're not familiar with Pennsic War, the first event was held in 1972 at a campground in Pennsylvania. It was much smaller back then, just a gathering of members from the Society for Creative Anachronisms, or SCA, who wanted to experience medieval combat and camaraderie on a larger scale than their local events allowed. While the scale of Pennsic has changed dramatically since those early days, the core spirit of Pennsic remains the same: a chance to immerse ourselves in history, learn new skills, forge friendships, and experience the pageantry of the Middle Ages. The opening ceremonies are a vital tradition here at Pennsic. Representatives from the various kingdoms within the SCA gather and pledge their participation and celebrate the beginning of the war. Being here, surrounded by thousands of people who share a passion for history and creativity, is an incredible feeling. The opening ceremonies really set the tone for the next week, a time of learning, competition, and community. I tried to get as many of the groups going by as I could, so I'm really hoping that you can find yourself somewhere in this crowd. And with that goal, I hope that you will sit back, relax, and take a look for people you may know. Feel free to share this with them, and be sure to like and subscribe. I plan to be doing a lot of videos about Pennsic and Pennsic's history, so hit like and subscribe.
HUZZAH, King of the Caedans, by right of arms, seated upon the crescent throne, and with him, Rasheen!
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 Rasheen! Rasheen!
HUZZAH Queen! Queen of all! Caed!
Caed!
Caed! Caed!
Caed!
Caed!
Woo! Caed! Phineas Rufus, Prince of the Summits. He stands before you by the will of Optimasati and Ashanxi, King and Queen of our tier, and for the most beautiful kingdom in the known world. Thrice say her name. Our tier! Our tier! Our tier! Your Majesty, the kingdom of our tier.
1,000 miles we have ridden, from the lands with the Hydra and the Kraken, rule for supremacy, led by King Dietrich and Queen Anaya. We are Troy Maris! Vivat! 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 We are here! Stand with our allies! And have fun and give joyous battle to all who oppose us! Vivat! 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 Our numbers are few this year, but those that are here are fierce warriors dedicated to the Wolfpack crowd. Assembled majesties, I've been charged by King Gunnicus and Queen Megwin to bring word. I'm charged by the crown of Eldemir to advise of our intentions in this war. You, King of Northfield, and her brilliant, stellar majesty, Queen Elena of Northshield.